Hello YouTube, this is Little Mr. Hardcore, aka Robert, with a one package mail day. I don't know what this is. Coming from Santa Clarita. Alright, it's in a green envelope I did not send, so I don't know what this is. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what it is. Okay, so it's 3 photos I sent. I'm assuming I sent. Signed 2 of 3. Here's the one I sent, and we'll do this one. Here's the one she didn't sign. Here's one she did sign, that's Dakota Fanning. She also signed this one. So I got 2 for 3. I'll check real quick when I sent it. Hopefully not too long ago. I'm not seeing it, so I don't know how long ago this was. February 14th. And she signed 2 of 3. So that's what I got for now. Be sure to check out my garage sale finds. Got some wicked autographs coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye!